this video, we're going to show you how to expose a screen for screen printing. Just a reminder, this is the short version of this video. The full tutorial is in the link below, and that covers all sorts of things like exposure times, troubleshooting, and different exposure methods. When it comes to coating that screen, we use the Screen Sol QT emulsion. It's a two-part mix, and we also like to use these pro-angle emulsion coaters, because they've got this really good little extra lip there, and that scoops up any beading that you might have left on that screen. We get both of those from Screen Print World in the UK, and we've got discount code CRP5. Your acetates need to be solid black. We use an all black ink system and a RIP software to make your positives exposure ready. For example, with this artwork, if I select any area there, so I'm going to select this bit, if I look on the colour picker, I've got solid black there, it's all the zeros. So that's ready to print. If you find that you don't have the resources to buy RIP software and run an inkjet printer, for example, we do actually offer that service where we print acetates and send them out in the post. Once your screen is dry, then you're ready to expose. So we have a metal halide exposure unit with a vacuum blanket. So how that works is we've got our light source, which is that very strong bulb at the bottom, and that's got a reflector to disperse the light. Then we've got this glass to hold the screen. Then we've got our film positive, which is the right way around. And then we've got our screen. And then we've got the vacuum blanket. So the vacuum's going to suck the air from out here, and it's going to hold that acetate really tight to the glass, which is just brilliant because it will avoid ghosting and that type of thing. So this bit of wire just lets the vacuum have a route to suck that air out, keep that really nice and tight. So I can put that on. Your exposure time depends on the emulsion that you're using and your exposure method. We have all of that covered in our full version video, which is in the link below. So my exposure is all done, so I can take that outside and wash it out now. Ideally, you'd use a power washer to wash your screen out. So what we like to do is we like to rinse this inside of the screen just to let it soak a little bit, flip it over, and then we'll be a bit more vigorous with the power washer. Again, you can let that soak for a little bit, just until it really just falls off easily. I think that's probably ready to just go in with the power washer, and that should just fall off now. So here's my freshly exposed screen. Now all there's left to do is to leave it to dry in the drying room, and once that's done, it's ready to print with. Just to let you know, we do actually have a service where we send out pre-exposed screens for people if, for example, you're not ready to bring this in-house yet, or you just haven't got that equipment that you need. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked that video. If you could hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow us on Instagram as well.